Hi, do you know na life is more peaceful when you stop thinking about what people gonna say about you? When you stop thinking about validation, appreciation. Kasi guys, lahat tayo ay merong kanya-kanyang kinakaharap na sariling problema. Alam mo, yung pinaka number one problem, concern, or issue ng bawat isa, how to deal sa sarili nila, na minsan hindi na nila alam yung ginagawa, naguguluhan, they don't know what to do because of the struggles, financial problem, relationship with the family, or kung ano yung kinakaharap nila. So that's why instead na maghahanap tayo ng validation from other people, maghanap tayo ng support from other people, instead na maghintay tayo, mag-expect anything from other people, from the family, it's much better is to work on ourselves. Ang tunay na magpapasaya sa atin kung we practice understanding. Kasi minsan kapag hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng understanding sa ibang tao, all the time na naghihintay na yun, nabubulak ko na, especially kung lagi na lang tayo naghihintay ng support, nag-expect ng support from our family, from other people, or from friends. Minsan ay nagiging emotional tayo, nakakalimutan na natin na meron din silang responsibility, na mismo sila ay nahihirapan din. They need also a support dahil they don't know how to handle themselves. So that's why working on ourselves, our emotion and mindset, it is really important. So that's why thinking about what people say about you, or waiting for a support from other people, it is much better to work on ourselves. Kasi the more we improve our emotion, how to deal ourselves, the more we understand the situation of other people. So that's it.